Alright, this is kind of cool wax find in this leftover card shop inventory. It's 1992, but it's the O-Pee-Chee, not the tops. So it's got O-Pee-Chee on it. Kind of cool, kind of different. So probably shouldn't be doing this. It's a sealed box. I'm going to open up a pack or two. Because that's what packs are meant for. That's the store I'm going with right now anyway. Brand new box. What was the question? You go right off the top, or do you dig down for the first pack? Let's see. We're going to take this top one right here. 1992 O-Pee-Chee. Oh, there's even gum. What do we got here? 92 O-Pee-Chee. Tino Martinez. Jeff Schaefer. Benito Santiago. Steve Farr. Sean Green, rookie. Dan Plesac. Alfredo Griffin. Juan Bell. Scott Terry. And Gilberto Reyes. 1992 O-Pee-Chee. Gonna open up another one of these 1992 O-Pee-Chee. Came across this in the wax section of this leftover card shop inventory. Card shop closed in the 90s. Gonna dig down on this one. Didn't do so hot in the first pack. I like the oddball stuff, and I don't know if this qualifies as oddball, but it's different. It's O-Pee-Chee, not tops. It's got gum. I will not be eating that. So a pack of 1992 O-Pee-Chee. Mike Jackson. Oh, now with Giants. Calvin Reese. Pokey Reese. Danny Martinez. Jose De Leon. Chris Nabolts. Tom Bolton. Jody Reed. Cecil Fielder. Is there another one there? Yep. Greg Vaughn. And Ricky Jordan. Kind of cool packs. Gonna open up one more of these 1992 O-Pee-Chees. They're a little different, so can't help myself really. 1992 O-Pee-Chee. There's a pack of, or a piece of gum. Who we got here? Dave Haas. Dave Otto. Is it a whole pack of Daves? Oh, Gary Varsho ruined the streak of Daves. Jose Rijo. Sammy Sosa. Cal Ripken. O-Pee-Chee. That's kind of cool. Ruben Sierra. Glenn Braggs. Rance Mullenix. And Bob Tewksbury. Nice. Good Ripken Sosa. These are kind of cool. So I'm going to do one more 92 O-Pee-Chee. One more for now anyway. We'll go down about that far. 1992 O-Pee-Chee. Canadian version of the Topps cards. There's the gum, everybody. Delicious. What do we got here? Oh, a Gary Carter tribute card. Well, that's kind of neat. Scott Geraltz. Mike Moore. Checklist. Keith Mitchell. Jerome Walton. Gerald Perry with the Cardinals. Carlos Baerga. Mike Lavalier. And Tim Tuffle. 1992 O-Pee-Chee. That Carter tribute's kind of cool.